DJI appears poised to set the pace with what may become the most exciting ultra-compact aerial camera of the decade, the Neo 2. Over the last several months, the buzz has built incessantly. Tech fans, aerial videographers, social media creators all abuzz with obscure prototype images, blurry test flights, and cryptic footage. All signs point to a device that aims to merge near-professional capability with genuine portability. The original Neo made waves in 2024 by proving a palm-sized drone could still deliver breathtaking 4K content and deliver impressive flight controls. Now, with the anticipated Neo 2, DJI appears ready to redefine what creators expect from a miniature drone designed for travel, vlogging, and aerial storytelling. Unlike DJI's flagship beasts, think the Mavic 3 Pro or Inspire 3, the Neo 2 isn't optimized for dominating studio sets. It's built for the backpack, ready to launch at a moment's notice, yet powerful enough to record cinematic footage for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and travelogue missions. From early leaks and insider notes, it's clear this isn't a mere incremental update. The Neo 2 looks to be a complete overhaul. The leaked information suggests refined aerodynamics, upgraded sensor suites, new materials in the frame, and markedly improved flight performance. One of the earliest tantalizing clues: a label leak showing a Class 1 laser safety warning, something not typically seen on such a compact drone. That hint fueled speculation that DJI is equipping the Neo 2 with a laser-based infrared distance sensor or a 3D mapping obstacle avoidance system, capable of accurate real-time environment scanning, even indoors. This dovetails neatly with DJI's long-term vision of smart drones that think, react, and adjust autonomously. The design itself also seems to reflect this shift. Leaked renderings and field imagery show a subtle raised bump near the front top section, likely to house the advanced sensor module, while maintaining aerodynamic balance. Where the first Neo struggled in moderate wind and had limited lift, the Neo 2 is expected to include a more robust flight shell and extended propeller arms to improve lift and wind stability. Reports suggest the propellers may shift to a quieter three-bladed composite configuration, dropping that high-pitched whining that the original's dual-blade props produced, especially helpful for vloggers filming natural environments or outdoor cityscapes. Battery life is one of the big leaps. Early reports suggest the Neo 2 utilizes a new 1,660 mAh unit at 11.5 V, compared to the Neo 1's 1,000 mAh at 10.5 V. On paper, that might read as a modest bump, but thanks to DJI's motor and ESC, electronic speed controller, optimization, the real-world result could be up to 23 minutes of flight time, instead of the previous 18 minutes. In some test scenarios, even 25 minutes is being claimed for low-wind, cinematic mode flights. If true, that positions the Neo 2 as one of the longest-lasting micro-drones under the 250G registration threshold, under many regulatory frameworks. Here's where DJI appears to have gone all in. Rumors suggest a 1/1.3-inch 48MP CMOS sensor, a massive leap compared with the Neo 1's half-an-inch 12MP chip. That sensor size jump could enable 4K at up to 60 frames per second with bit rates around 150 megabits per second, offering major improvements in dynamic range, color science, and low-light performance. For creators shooting dusk, indoor scenes, or neon-lit cityscapes, this means crisper, more vibrant footage, even without intense post-stabilization. The vertical video/phone-ready shooting mode is also being upgraded. Auto aspect ratio switching, gyro-based horizon leveling, and hybrid stabilization, a combination of